So before we dive into exam material, we'll first need access to a Databricks workspace. Throughout this course, we'll be doing things like creating notebooks, building data pipelines, running code, and working through real-world examples together. Typically, accessing a data platform like this could come at a cost. Good news for us is that Databricks offers a free edition that's more than capable of supporting everything that we'll do throughout this course. So what exactly is this free edition, and what makes it different from a paid workspace? Let's take a quick look. The Databricks Free Edition is a no-cost learning environment that has many of the same features as a paid workspace. While there are many features available, throughout this course, we'll use it to create notebooks using Python and SQL. We're going to build, deploy, and schedule pipelines using Lakeflow jobs. We'll query and transform data using Spark declarative pipelines. And lastly, we'll create tables using Delta Lake and secure them with Unicatalog. The best part of all is that everything throughout this course can be completed with the Databricks Free Edition. Let's head on over to the sign up page that's linked in this video's description and launch our very own personal workspace. Okay, I'm here at the Databricks Free Edition sign up page, and you can sign up using an existing Google account, Microsoft account, or simply use an email address. For this walkthrough, I'm going to use my email address and click the Continue with Email button. You will then be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your email address. Enter that now. Next, we'll need to configure a few basic account settings. Enter a name for your account and select the geographic region from the dropdown. Then click the Continue button. You'll then be prompted to complete a short verification puzzle to confirm that you're not a bot. Click the Start Puzzle button and complete the puzzle. And once you've completed the puzzle, you'll then see your workspace begin to launch. This could take a few minutes, so this might be a good time to go grab a drink. Once your workspace has finished setting up, you'll be taken to your workspace homepage. Throughout the first section of this course, we'll primarily be using the navigation menu on the top left-hand side. But as we progress, we'll dive deeper into other tools used by data engineers. For now, let's start with the workspace section. Think of it like your own personal file system in the cloud. This is where we'll create things like notebooks, we'll organize our work, and build many of the examples you'll complete throughout the course. Congratulations, you now have your own personal Databricks workspace. And the best part of all, it's completely free. In the next lesson, I'll give you a guided tour of the platform, and we'll cover core concepts I think every data engineer should know. If you're following along, be sure to subscribe so you get notified as soon as each lesson is released. I'll see you in lesson 2.